time is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. 1:28. I'm with Lee. Can I see it? And we're headed to Australia. I'm excited.
Strong. His bag is the size of me. That's why. Insert picture.
It's 2:20. We still got. We still have 40 minutes to go.
I'm trying my best not to die.
But we will see you guys at Australia! So we are here at Kmart. We need to buy stuff. Farhan! What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I don't even know what I'm doing here.
Apa? Honey cake.
Honey? 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 Take half. They're really nice.
The prophecy is true.
Ooh, that's cool.
Welcome, Harry, to Diagana.
I love it. Okay, Instagram. I like Instagram like shit now. You want? Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Let's walk towards us.
I don't know, a bit awkward.
Guess where we are, guys? Guess. We are at the toilet. The best toilet ever. Look. Montage.
If I lived under the sea, I think it would be neat as it could be, baby. I could visit all the fish anytime I wish. If I lived under the sea,
I could ride on the tail of a great big whale. Wow, that would be great!
Okay. Good morning! 0 degrees-ish Celsius. We are in the middle of nowhere. Look. Meh. We are in the middle of nowhere again. Woohoo! A quick update, we are now at Stirling Range in Western Australia. We got about 1.5 hours left
to Bluff Knoll Mountain.
Good! Yes! We're gonna climb that shit. Good! I bet Zordon is up there. Zordon.
Welcome, Power Rangers. This promises to be a momentous occasion. You are about to meet the newest member of your team. As you are aware, the Green Ranger's power was completely decimated by his last few battles. Alpha and I felt it was time to create an even more powerful Ranger to combat Lord Zed and his diabolical evil. To that end, a candidate was selected and a new Power Ranger was created. And now, my friends, I present to you John Cena!
And here we go! Yes! So how you doing?
How you doing?
Very good, very good. Keep yourself hydrated. Okay. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Good!
Let's keep it slow.
Fresh.
We okay? Ration our energy. Yeah, spread out a bit. So now, don't put all our energy at the beginning of the trail.
No man, I'm just gonna be all out.
All out, really? Okay.
He's the one who enjoyed the trip.
So this is a distance mark. From here onwards, it's 3 kilometers up.
Wow.
Tired already.
Yeah, break.
It's okay, we power through. Look at the steps. Look at how she goes up. Air kopi eh? How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm dying. I'm dying.
So far so good ish.
Cannot. If you can't make it, just make it halfway through. At least. You can do it.
Because I'm feeling blood
Fancy.
flowing from my face already.
Yeah. No. Up slowly. You know why? Because you cannot breathe. Drink water if you need. Water gives you oxygen inside your blood.
If anything, I got extra water bottle. I'll bring extra 3.
Water break.
What is up? Caps off. 500ml drink up.
Drink up.
Courage, loyalty, integrity, fairness. Echo Koi! Woo! Hello.
No more. You need oxygen. Hey, rest if you want. Enjoy the view from this.
What? Look at all this. It could all be yours. But we have to find Zordon.
No, at least like, what view?
Oh. Let's see her view. Oh.
You can do it. After this hike, all of us gonna be fit, man. You need to drink because that's where the oxygen is. Drink water. Water is H2O. It's 1 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. No, H2O. 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So that's why you got a source of oxygen. If the air is not enough. Wait. Woohoo! It's getting dark. Go on to the next tree. Some of these rocks can maybe loose. Okay. Alright, let's go, come on. This one, hold onto the tree to the root. You can go to this, you can go to other.
Okay. There's gonna be green
Can
on
you
top.
hear? There's not. You can't hear wind. It's silent.
That's wind.
No, you can't hear shit.
Huh?
You can't hear shit because of this rock.
Oh, true.
Look, your car.
I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom.
Oh, that's cool.
Looks like a crop circle, yeah.
Those are aliens!
Sorry, I'm trying to record it.
Aliens! Aliens!
Oh, they cut the lights off.
Aliens!
Oh, they cut the lights
Y'all need to be shooting that!
Oh shit, scary, scary. Holy fuck, it's so damn scary.
Halfway mark, guys. Here we were.
Huh? Hi.
The wind tonight.
Holy. Ooh. It's. Oh.
Outside this, outside this, outside this. I can move my lips. No.
Gosh. That's so cold. I think the temperature is like what? -1? Almost there. Yeah, it's gonna rain by the time we're up. How you doing?
How you doing?
Driving way better in the car.
Yep. Wow. Okay. I feel like this is where
Luke Skywalker will be at. Luke! Where are you, Luke?
When I was young, I never needed anyone.
I was going into Toshi Station to pick up some power converters.
And making love was just fun. Those days are gone.
They're trying to find Luke Skywalker. Where's Luke?
Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. But when I dial the telephone, nobody's home.
Hup, hup. What happened to? I'm gonna use all my energy to go up, bruh. Just now below, I said, all the height. Flashback.
So like, don't put all our energy at the beginning of the trail.
No man, I'm just gonna be all out.
All out, really? Okay.
And we're back. Isn't that the place where Mufasa died? Mufasa. Huh? No, Mufasa. That looks like the place where Mufasa died.
Scar! Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
What's up, bro? Sis. Oh my. Holy shit. There is no way. Okay, now update. Let's find this rain. Okay. Lee, how you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, but there's not waterproof here. Is it waterproof?
You sure? Okay, I got.
Is it waterproof?
What? Nope. So we are at the top ish. We go down. Okay. Yours will be harder. For you to go down
And we are back. So a lot of shit happened just now. We saw Luke Skywalker, and this is what happened.
All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
And we're back. So you're on our way back down. Fuck. I just want to wipe my shoes. My shoes are horrendous. No. Wrong shoes. Okay.
Acting.
And we're back. Yes.
Need to drink because that's what oxygen is. Drink water. Water is H2O. So that's why you got to search oxygen. The air